Hello and welcome to our Scribble-Bot tutorial for the TMS Makerspace in a box. Today you're going to learn how to create your own example for a Scribble-Bot to show your class, or try to do many different examples to show a group of children. Feel free to use this version of a Scribble-Bot or any other version we have linked or that you find online. These Scribble-Bots show closed and open circuits as well as reinforce the STEM concepts of design and prototyping and experimenting, as your students can change around as many parts of the bot itself. So let's get started. So first off, here are the supplies that you need. You need a variety of markers. Thin markers will work as well, so will some felt tip pens and Sharpies. All the other things that you need are a motor with the leads, pieces of glue stick, tape, a rubber band, and a AA battery. So this picture is where you're going to get started. You're going to get started by using one of the recyclable containers. You can use some that are inside the actual box itself, or you can use your own in your classroom, as well as using solo cups or any other kind of container that you need. They can also be any different kind of shape. They can be square as well. Try it out. Ask your students to try out what they want to do. So the first thing that you need to do is actually tape the markers to the actual recyclable. Then, after you tape the markers, you are going to take your motor and attach one piece of glue stick. Now, there's not a set piece of glue stick that you can use. You can use a variety of different sizes. Ask your students to try different sizes as they start prototyping and start making them work. But to get started, you can use a 1-inch or 2-inch piece. And notice how it's kind of off center, like this. It's supposed to be off center. It's supposed to be a little bit wobbly. You want it to kind of have that off balance motion, because that's what's going to create that little scribble that's on the paper. This picture right here is how we tape the battery on. So to get started, the little alligator clips, they're a little bit difficult to clip onto the ends of the batteries. So I always ask my students to actually tape one side on, and the positive side is the one that I do. And that's the one with the little raised notch at the end. And I just tape it on there, and then I'll show you in the next slide what you do with the battery after that. So those are the next two steps for your Scribble-Bot. So you see on this next picture, on this left picture right here, I have the taped little end right there, and then I put the rubber band around it and then clipped the negative end onto the other side. You should now have a working motor. Try it out. Make sure that the students understand that they just have to clip it around the rubber band before they actually attach it to their Scribble-Bot base. And so this bottom picture right here is the Scribble-Bot base all put together. And so have them try to put the motor either on top or on the side. And then the battery can go on the top or the side as well. It's up to them. Let them sort of try it out and see which one feels best for them. If you do not have a successful bot or the markers start coming off, you may need to add a lot of tape. That is perfectly fine. Please use as much tape as you need, as that really does not affect the motion, but it increases the stability of the actual Scribble-Bot itself. So once you have a Scribble-Bot that kind of works, you're going to kind of take the caps off and try it out for your own self. See, mine down here didn't exactly make a pretty scribble. However, it made a scribble that's good enough for me at this moment. There have been definitely some more successful scribbles. You want the actual Scribble-Bot to work in a circle, and to get that, you need to have that little piece of glue stick off center. Well, that is our little tutorial. Please feel free to email us for any questions, and please refer to the videos that we have linked inside the actual document. Thank you so much. Happy making!